एका भिन्नाथवोद्गीत विद्या छान्दोग्यकान्वयोः एकास्या नाम सामान्या संग्रामादिसमत्वतः उद्गीथावयवोङ्कारः उद्गातेत्युभयोर्भिदा वेद्यभेदेऽर्थवादादि साम्यमत्रा प्रयोजकम्
छान्दोग्य कान्वयोः उद्गीत विद्या एका अथवा भिन्न छान्दोग्य कान्वयोः उद्गीत विद्या एका अथवा भिन्न नाम से एकास्यात् नाम सामान्य नाम सामान्य संग्रामादि समत्वतः एका स्यात् नाम सामान्य संग्रामादि समत्वतः एका स्यात् उद्गीथावयवोङ्कारः उद्गीथावयवोङ्कारः उद्गाता इति उभयोः then add उपास्ययोः उभयोः add उपास्ययोः भिदा अत्र साम्यम अत्र इधर अत्र वेद्य भेदे अर्थवादादि साम्यम अप्रयोजकम अत्र अप्रयोजकम अत्र अप्रयोजकम अत्र वेद्य भेदे अर्थवादादि साम्यम अप्रयोजकम शंका डाउट नो छांदोग्य काण्वयोः छांदोग्य शाखा एंड काण्व शाखा ऑफ वादस्नेह बृहदारण्यक उद्गीत विद्या the Udgita Upasana told that we'll see little what is this Udgita Vidya etc. It is going to come repetition because he has to pick up the cases now. He has to pick up the cases. And even Bhashya, the other all aspects of Udgita you are supposed to know. I had taught Chandogya long back, all 6, including first Upasana chapters, etc. Unfortunately, that first all 5 chapters tapes got corrupted. Only Vedanta is remaining. 6, 7, 8 is remaining. So all these tapes got corrupted as audio tapes. Long back it was. Even audio tapes getting was a difficult thing. All smaller things and this and all that is there. So Meltrack was the one that is there, but it was not up to the quality and all that. So that was there says Chandogya Kanvayoho Udgita Vidya, this Udgita Upasana, Eka, is it one and the same? So, or it says Athava Bhinna. Now let us see little about this Udgita. See, each mantra in Samaveda is called Sama. Mantra itself is called what? Sama. Now this Sama means Samaveda mantra is divided into either 5 parts or 7 parts, different parts, and then sung. For singing, it is divided into 5 or 7 parts. Each part, this is another thing. Each part is called bhakti, and if you come across the word bhakti, end of it. So you will not be able to find out. Each part, either 5 or 7, is called as what? Bhakti. Bhaj bhanakti, 7th case, 7th conjugation, parasmaipada. Plus tin, man plus tin mati. Bhaj plus tin bhakti. So that is. So bhaj, that is means split. It is to split means divide. So avayava. Now 5 avayavas, they are given in Chandogya 2, 2, 1. What are the 5 avayavas if you split them as 5 bhaktis? So the 5 avayavas as given in Chandogya 2, 2, 1 are Hinkaraha. 1 is what? Hinkaraha, chanting Him. Himkaraha. Himkaraha, chanting Him. Prastavaha. This portion is sung by Prastota, a priest, a Prastota. He is an assistant of Udgata. He is assistant of priest Udgata, Prastota. Then Udgitaha. This portion called C. So that is, this portion of Sama is called what? Udgitaha. It is sung by Udgata. It is sung by Udgata. So, then Pratiharaha. These are all divisions. Pratihara. Pratiharaha is portion sung by Pratiharta. Yes, priest called who? Pratiharta. Again, Pratiharta is assistant of Udgata. So, Udgata. Then Nidhanaha, a portion. And Nidhana portion is portion of all 3 Prastava, Udgita and Pratihara. So, Nidhana portion is, it is from portions from Prastava, Udgita and Pratihara. So, these are the 5 bhaktis if a Sama is divided into 5. If Sama is divided into 7 bhaktis, which is given in Chandogya 2, 8, 1 and 2. Given in Chandogya 2, 8, 1 and 2. The 7 divisions are Hinkara as earlier, Prastava as earlier, there is another Adi, a portion. Then comes Udgita. Next one is Pratihara. Then comes what is called as Upadrava, a portion. Upadrava. And final one is Nidhana. So therefore, what is Udgita now? Udgita is what? A Shabda Samuha, a particular portion of a Sama. Is particular portion of a Sama. And it begins with Omkara. It begins with Omkara. At places, for Upasana also, Udgita word means Om. Omkara, which is a part of Udgita, itself is called Udgita. This is so confusing. You have to ascertain what that Udgita means. So therefore, this beginning word Omkara at places for Upasana is named as what? Udgita. How is it possible? This is the language, how it is used. So for which it is like this. Gramaha dahati. Village is burning. A part of village is burning. Not what, but what you say? Village is burning. Clock is torn. portion of the cloth is torn, but we say what? So therefore, in some places, in for Upasana, Omkara, which is the beginning word of Udgita, itself is called as what? Udgita. So that we should be clear about that. One more thing. You should be very careful. This Omkara is not the Om which is revealed in many Vedas Upanishads as a pratika of Saguna Brahma and Nirguna Brahma. Because you will land in problem. In Upasana, Nikrishta Vastuni Utkrishta Tattva Darshana. Omkara is the highest. On Utkrishta, how you can load Nikrishta? No. This is only what Omkara of part of Udgita, which is not that Omkara which reveals Nirguna Brahma and Saguna Brahma. That also should be very clear. This Udgita Om is not the same as Om propounded by all the Vedas to reveal Nirguna Brahma or Saguna Brahma. See, this Om is only part of Udgita. And again, taken as this is that Udgita itself, how? By Lakshana, by implication. Otherwise, you can't call what? Omkara a part of Udgita as like Gramaha, that is by Lakshana. Otherwise, that is just. See, Udgitaha Omkaraha. In this phrase, for Omkara, Udgita becomes the Visheshana. This Visheshana will not be applicable to what? Omkara revealing Nirguna Brahma or Saguna Brahma. So therefore, this is what in this Udgita, that what happens? The Udgita becomes the Visheshana for Omkara propounded in the Veda. This is which Veda? Udgitaha Omkara. Now see, Udgitaha Omkara. This Omkara is one propounded in the Vedas, but it is reduced to what? As a part of Udgita, the Vayava. This is ascertained in the Brahma Sutra 339. 339. So this is propounded. What is that? Udgitaha Omkara. Here, Udgita is adjective for what? Omkara. Which Omkara? The one which is propounded in all the Vedas. That is ascertained in Sutra, Brahma Sutra. Now here only it is going to come 339. So that means distinction between Om as the Udgita Avayava called Udgita and the Om propounded in all the Vedas to reveal Nirguna and Saguna Brahma should be very clear. Otherwise, you will have doubts when the Upasana comes. The rule must be Nikrishta Vastuni Utkrishta Darshana. On Omkara propounded, you can load only Saguna Brahma or Nirguna Brahma. Nothing short of that. So there are different types of this. Other problem, there are different types of Udgita Upasana and called as what? Udgita Upasana. So therefore means different types of Udgita Upasana means what? Different types of drishtis. Drishtis means thing that is meditated upon, is done on Udgita. So which is not the Om of all the Upanishads. And at times, actual karma of chanting Udgita is also called Udgita. Another thing, Udgita is not chanted independently like your Rudra, Purush Sukta. It is not chanted independently. It is a part of Somayaga or different what is called as this is the Jyotishtomayaga, etc. The part of it means it has Udgita karma or chanting of Udgita has to be done as a anga of certain yagas, like this thing, not only two, so this you should be little aware of Udgita. So the someone now Gita word comes, don't look up and down. This is what Udgita. So it says, now it says, yes, Chandogya Kanvayoho Udgita Vidya Eka Athava Bhinna. Is one the same or different? This Shankar. Pura Paksha says, sir, see, Nama Samanyat. Then he said, here it is called. So this is his word. Here it is called as what? Udgita Vidya. There also it is called as that. You go to Chembur, this how many? Mr. Subramanyam sir. How many Subramanyam, how many Narayan Swami, how many Venkatraman? Then he said, are they same? So like that. So that is his name Samanya, and again he says, sir, names are one and the same. Not only that, there are few features said. What is that? Sangramadi Samatvataha. Sangrama, Devasura Sangrama in the midst of that means here Devasura means, that means a fight between, that means a battle between Devas and Asura. In both places are there. Again, so certain people fought with the Asura, they got defeated. And the Prana fought, he got the same. Both places were same. So victory also same, this also same. So Ninda also same. So like that, few things are similar. Means what? Samanya is there. You told us similar upasana. So that will say Ekasya. Both are what? One and the same. So now Siddhanta. Udgitavayomkaraha udgata iti ubhayoho upasyayoho bhida. There is bhida, bheda between both the upasana. Do you know why? Upasyayoho. Upasyas are glaringly different. At least some similarity was there, you would have considered. Totally different. What is that? In one, where in Chandogya, Udgita Avayava Omkara is Upasya. Whereas in Kanva, it says that Udgata Prana is Upasya. Different or not. So that is in Chandogya, Omkara, which is the Avayava of Udgita, is meditated upon as Prana. This Upasana where in the Chandogya Udgita Upasana is meditated as Prana. In Vrihadaranyaka Kanvashaka, the Prana, who is the proceed, that who Udgata sings the Udgita, what he makes use of? Speech. Speech functions because of Prana. So therefore, who prompts the singing? Prana. Actual Udgata is who? Prana. So therefore what? That Prana Udgata. So that is what it says. That is the Shaka. Prana, who is the prompter to sing the entire Udgita, is meditated, means is the Upasya as what? Udgata. Is meditated upon as the Udgata. So therefore what happens? Upasyas differ, and therefore what? Upasanas differ. But sir, I have pointed out many similarities, not one as such. It says Atra. Atra means in ascertaining the nature of upasana. Atra Vedya Bhede. When Upasya differs, it says Arthavadadi Samyam. Similarity of Arthavada, secondary things told like Sangrama or other features, etc. Samyam is what says Aprayojaka is useless to ascertain the exact nature of Upasana. Right? Upasya differs. Straight away you what? you can conclude that different upasana. Sutra अन्यथात्वं शब्दादिति चेत् न अविशेष एक अन्वय शब्दात् अन्यथात्वम् इति चेत् न अविशेष शब्दात् अन्यथात्वम् इति चेत् न अविशेष पूर्वपक्ष सूत्र शब्दात् because about the description of the upasya there is some there is different, and who has told this shabda means what? Shruti. Because of differences in the Shruti statement describing the upasya, so that is what, and that is what Veda, and when the Veda is there, upasana also must differ. Shabda. There in Chandogya started from Naha Udgaya. Yes. At one place it starts at what? From Naha Udgaya. At other place, Tam Udgitam Upasan Chakride. So Tam Udgitam, like it means Shruti sentences describing the Upasana differ. On account of that word, Anyatha Tattvam. Anyatha Tattvam means Upasana told in Bhinna Shaka are different. So that is, though name is Udgit Upasana, they are different as such. Therefore, we should what? Accept. They are not Sajatiya, they are Vijatiya. We have to accept. Iti che, if you argue, who will argue this way? Siddhanti. Purvapakshi says, if you argue like this, iti che, na. So it is not so. So it is not so, because on that ground you can't say these upasanas are different. How come? Kutaha says avishesha. Avishesha means say upakrama, beginning. So again that Devasura Sangrama, then conquering of the asuras, again ninda of some. All these are what? Similar aspects. There are major similarities, then minor differences. So therefore what? You have to accept both as one and the same. Nava prakarana bheda parovariyatvadivat. This Navai, Naeva. Sir, what you said is not at all correct. Nava and Vidyakam. Naeva Vidyayaha Aikam. So both upasanas are not at all identical. And Kutaha, how come? Prakarana Bheda. The topic or the chapters, they what begin differently. Prakarana Bheda means Prakrama Bheda. The beginning is different, because Prakarana can mean chapter, and when you say chapter, you need not tell chapter, they are in different shakas, therefore chapters will be separate, you may say. That's what that Bhashikara is going to clarify. Prakarana Bheda means Prakrama Bheda. Beginning at both places being different from each other. So how? Say, in Omiti Etadaksharam, in Chandogya, in the Omkara, which Avayava Udgita Prana Drishti is there. Whereas in Brihadaranyaka, Prana is the Udgata. So this is what Prakarana Bheda is. Prakarana Bheda. So for which? So that is, so therefore the beginning is different, and therefore it says both cannot be one and the same. For which says Parovariyastvadiva, like Parovariyastva, Paraha, Avaraha. This we will see in the Upasana as such. So what you say? A Drishtanta it is an illustration. So means it is two Upasanas. Paramatma is Adhyasta, but Guna, upasya guna differ. So one is parovariyatva, other is hiranyashmashto ityadi. See, just for the time being, Bhashya will make it clear, time being, take it this way. There is upasana, where Paramatma is superimposed. But in one, both Paramatma is superimposed. In one, parovariyatva is a guna, that is to be meditated upon. In other, hiranyashmashutva is the guna. As a result, what happens? Both upasanas are separate. Like that here. Upasya is different, mode is different, therefore upasanas are different. So parovariyatva will take in detail in the Bhashya, so it is going to come. It is illustration only, like parovariyatva. It take caption. Both Udgita upasanas are different because of prakrama bheda. Prakrama bheda means differences in the commencement, beginning. Prakrama bheda. Differences in the commencement. Saudnekam pura bijam udbhavya. Udbhavya means having considered, having told the root cause of the doubt of the Purapaksha, that he thinks, see, both are called Udgita upasana, they should be one and the same. Why these both? There are hundreds of Udgita upasana. Nyaya Nirnaya, last button. Purapaksha bijam udbhavya dushayati saudnyataha cha iti. So have you considered the basis for the Purapaksha? He now answers, refutes that. Saudnyataha chet taduktam astitu tadapi. Saudnyataha means ubhayatra. Ubhayatra means at both the places. What are the both the places? Chandogya and Brihadaranyaka Shaka. Saudnyata, name is common. What is the common name? Udgita Vidya. Saudnya is name. Udgita Vidya. So therefore, because names are there, upasanas also must be one and the same. Che, if you say so, tad uktam. This is already answered. Where? Earlier sutra. What is earlier sutra? Prakarana bheda. We have seen that. We already told. We have prakarana bheda. So therefore, when the question comes that the two upasanas called as Udgita Vidya only, appearing in Brihadaranyaka and Chandogya, are they one and the same or not? For this, when it was analyzed and ascertained, you have already told. What was told? They are different. Why? Prakarana bheda, prakrama bheda. So therefore, in the earlier sutra, we started with nava, naeva, certainly not. Va is for eva. Naeva, certainly not. What is that? Because that is, both Udgita Vidyas are different. They are not, certainly not one and the same. Why? Prakarana bheda. Iti atra says, Siddhantam pratipaditam. Uktam means what? Siddhanta already told in the earlier sutra. Not only that, astitu tadapi. And that also is, what is that? Even though name is one and the same, what that? Things to be done differ. It gives illustration from Puramimamsa. Astitu tadapi. Astitu tadapi. So that is that. Asti, that is what? Here is an instance. Here are the instances wherein what is one and the same? Names are one and the same, but the karmas differ. From Puramimamsa, he gives the illustration. So for example, in Katha Shakha, Katha Shakha, many types of Agnihotra karma are told. All of them are called Kathaka. But karmas differ. So only because of name you can't say. So he is pointing out names are Paurusheyas, whereas this is based on Shruti.
take caption. Upasana cannot be one and the same because of the name is Udgita Vidya. Next page, Sutra 8, end.